The Maglorie by BRM Homes. All brick open floor plan. Stone hearth gas fireplace. Formal dining room. Board and batten and shiplap accents. Coffered ceilings. Open eat-in kitchen with huge walk-in pantry. Enormous master suite features double vanity, freestanding tub, glass/tile shower and huge walk-in closet with pocket door entry to the laundry room. Spare bedroom on main with its own bath. Second level boasts 2 generous-sized bedrooms, 2 separate full baths, and massive bonus room. Covered plus screened back porch. All this plus the quality craftsmanship of a BRM built home.